Yo, you got a WJ 99 to 2004 with the old 4.7 V8 in it. You got water dripping out right in front of your oil pan, kind of right behind the belts. Probably need a water pump. I do too, so let's do it on this one. Alright guys, so sorry about the noise, but I got the AC running. It's about 9 billion degrees outside here in Florida. But basically you just put a little tension on the this idler pulley here and boom, pop the pulley off, or pop the belt off. I'm just gonna set it up there, actually try to keep it on that stuff underneath there. Just probably tuck it in like that. And hopefully that'll just keep, it don't really matter. But alright, and then it looks like I got about 5 or 6 bolts, and let's see what size they are. Probably 14 or 13 millimeter. We'll grab that. So I got a drain pan set up underneath. You could probably use some power tools on this, but I'm just going to use the old ratchety ratchet. I'm dealing with a torn shoulder, whatever you call it, a rotator cuff. That's awesome. I'm pretty sure I did this water pump about 6 or 7 years ago. So we got one bolt behind the pulley over here. Of course. Some you need an extension, some you can't use an extension. Can't really use my left shoulder. Alright, so I'm having to take off this, it's not an idler pulley that's on the spring, but it's just one that's sitting there. So I got it loose. I'm just going to use this to drive the bolt out, hopefully. No, maybe not. Man, I got to get in there by hand. No room for the powered one there. Alright, so we got all the bolts out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look over on the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should pop right out. I'm in this thing for like, so far I'm in it for like 5 minutes. Well, it's 2 hours and 5 minutes, because it took me 2 hours of procrastinating to decide to do it. There's the old bus right there. So let's pop this thing off. Alright, so I'm hoping a little pry with a screwdriver here or something will pop this sucker off here. Come on, baby. Nothing to pry against that I can see here. Alright, try a little mallet action. Oh boy, there's a little mess. Oh, that would suck if this thing wouldn't come out of here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, it looks like I might have to take the alternator off to get this thing out of here. It's not going to go out the bottom. No. Alright, so I got to pull the alternator up to get this thing out. Really just need to get the alternator loose here. I'm not going to undo the wiring or anything. Come on. Yeah, my AC is running full blast and it is still hot as balls in here. If it won't come out, probably got another bolt. Alright. Remember, that's a hot lead on there, so probably be good to shut the battery off. Here we go. There she is. Alright, so there's the old water pump. All that goes bad really is this fucking seal goes bad after a while. All that white coolant there, all that, so that indication that it was probably weeping out that weep hole out of the bearing there or whatever. Alright, so I'm now into this for 2 hours and 20 minutes with the 20 minutes of working, if even that, maybe 15, and the 2 hours of procrastination. Let's put the new one in. Alright, so no sealing on the gasket here, just line up the old gasket-a-roo here. Get that in there. So one thing you can see here, how this is like pointed up compared to that one that was in there. I don't know if you can see that. It's sticking up there, whereas the other one was totally flat on there, so it just gets completely mushed down in. But it looked like it was leaking through the backside there, weeping out. Probably one of the easiest jobs. It'll probably take longer to burp out the air bubbles in the coolant. Alright, I'm going to take a little Scotch-Brite and just clean that up in there real quick. Alright, so I got a little gray Scotch-Brite. I'm just going to go along this gasket surface and just kind of clean off any little goo or residue or whatever. Alright, I don't think you need to get too crazy with that. And I'll throw in the new one. Put away, alternator. Alright, just make sure your gasket's on good. Alright, so I have these bolts in order up here, so I'm going to go with my I guess this was the one there. Alright, so there it is, down in there. I'll put the bolts in and we'll call it a day. Alright guys, that is it. Get all the bolts in, route your belt back on. There's a little routing picture there in case you can't figure it out. You just pull up on this with a wrench to get your belt on. Tighten your alternator back down. Open up this bleeder screw here to bleed the air bubbles out as you're adding in coolant, and you'll be good to go. Hope this helped. Peace.